such. Honorable members, let me now turn to the nexus between the letter from the Registrar of Political Parties and the several Gazette notices published by the IEBC with respect to your election or nomination as members of this House. Based on Gazette notices 9950 and 9951 of 2022, both dated 23rd August 2022, Gazette Notice 10535 of 2022, dated 5th September 2022, Gazette Notice number 10537 of 2022, dated 7th September 2022, and Gazette Notice number 10710 of 2022, dated 9th September 2022, the current composition of the National Assembly by individual political parties is as follows. United Democratic Alliance UDA 145, Orange Democratic Movement ODM 86, Jubilee Political Party 28, Wiper Democratic Movement 26, United Democratic Movement 8, Amani National Congress 8, Ford Kenya 6, Kenya African National Union KANU 6, Democratic Alliance Part of Kenya 5, Pamoja African Alliance PA 3, Kenya Union Party 3, United Party of Independent Alliance UPIA 2, Maendeleo Chap 2, the Service Party TSP 2, United Progressive Alliance Party UPA 1, National Alliance Party of Kenya NAPK 1, National Ordinary People Empowerment Union NOPEU 1, Grand Dream Development Party 1, Democratic Party DP 1, Movement for Democracy and Growth MDG 1, Chama cha Mashinani 1. Honorable members, reference to the letter by the Registrar of Political Parties will give the cumulative number of the members of the constituent parties of what the Registrar refers to as the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition Party as 171 members and against 165 members of the constituent parties of what the Registrar refers to as the Kenya Kwanza Alliance. However, it is notable that a total of 14 members are drawn from 4 parties, that is UDM, MDG, MCP, and PA, who, according to the letter of the Registrar, have filed constitutional petitions and objections against their membership in Azimio. This implies that the letter from the Registrar may not be used to compute the membership of the majority and minority parties by dint of the admission contained in it on the existing constitutional petitions and objections. Honorable members, it will also be recalled that the members of UDM, MDG, MCCP, and PA have claimed they signed pre-election and post-election coalition agreements with the Kenya Kwanza Alliance Coalition. Cumulatively, the membership of the 4 parties in this House is 14. If these members were to be added to the 165 members of the initial constituent parties of Kenya Kwanza Coalition, the coalition would comprise a total of 179 members. Consequently, the Azimio coalition would then, I have not finished this ruling at all. Order, members. If you listen,